Hey everyone, you're welcome back to my channel, guys. How are you guys doing and how is your day? Okay guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you an amazing drink that would actually help you live long. Like, hold on guys, do you know that you can actually stay away from sickness? You can, stay away from contracting all of those sickness and stuff, and you can live a healthy life and be happy, because when your skin is speaking, when you can actually reduce the amount of wrinkles on your face with this drink, you're definitely gonna be happy, because when you see your body, you are like, whoops, is this me? Okay guys, so I'm going to be showing you all of the ingredients and how to prepare it, how you're going to be using it. Yeah, all right, so do not forget to hit on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and on the bell, yeah, so that when I post a video you'll be notified, and also share. So let me take you right into the video. Guys, for you never to contract disease, live a healthy long life, and get a good health, so you're gonna be needing this, and this is lemon, guys. Now you're not gonna be taking this lemon the normal way you actually used to take it. I'm actually gonna be showing you a very unique way that you are going to be taking this lemon. Yeah, so I have a half cut of lemon here, and that's actually what I'm gonna be using. Now in every of your ingredients you have to wash it. Okay, so after which you've washed it, then you're going to cut it in pieces. And then you're going to blend plus the zest. Okay, now this particular zest is actually what we be needing, and you're gonna be blending it also. Now I know that most of you guys cannot actually take lemon and equally take the zest. Okay, so that's why we would have to just put in a little water and just blend it out. Okay, now this is actually going to help you in consuming the lemon zest. So now we're going to be blending it plus the lemon zest. Welcome. Okay, so after that, then we'll sieve it out. Now you're going to know that in this particular one you're gonna be drinking the lemon plus the zest, and when you want to take lemon in this juice, you have to take just a little, because you're actually blending plus the zest. Okay, and the zest contains an acid that helps you fight disease a whole lot. Okay guys, so after that you're going to be needing ginger for this. Now ginger helps so much for fluid, it helps in case you have cough, and it helps for cold, catarrh, and this helps you digest your food really quick. Okay, so it will help to make you stay away from disease. after that, I'm gonna be cutting this into pieces. And then you have to be putting in a little water. Okay guys, we're equally going to be needing some garlic. Now I would want to blend the garlic plus the ginger together. Okay, so we're going to be needing some garlic for this. To stay healthy and never fall sick, you're going to be needing some garlic for this, and this is going to be very, very helpful for you. Okay, so you have to take some few cloves of your garlic, peel that up, and this combo drink is going to be the bomb. It's going to help you fight all of those diseases. Okay, so after which you wash it just like I would advise. And here I have my ginger, and I put it inside. Now I would love to put a little more water, and then we're going to be blending the garlic and the ginger together. All right. Now keep that aside. And we're equally going to be needing carrots. Now carrot contains a whole lot of ingredient that helps you stay healthy. It helps your skin glow, and it makes you stay hydrated when we actually, mix it up with other ingredients that keeps you healthy. Then we'll have to So after blending this, then we'll have to sieve it out. Okay, so this is my carrot juice. So here I have orange. Now you have to use as much orange as you possibly can for this drink, and it's actually going to help to activate it. Now I would have to first of all, wash the orange so that you can stay away from disease, since you're actually fighting disease. So after you do that, then we'll have to cut it, and then we'll be extracting the juice. So I have to press it out to get all of the juice out of this orange. Although now orange here in our country has a whole lot of juice. There are some seasons where orange would have less or no juice. Okay, my oranges, carrots, ginger and garlic, lemon plus the zest, and then we're going to turn them together. Now this 5 disease fighting fruits is just basically all you need, okay, to fight all those diseases and stay healthy in and out. So afterwards you mix them all up, and then you would have this. Okay, all right guys, so you can actually blend yours together. I just decided to blend mine one after each other so that I could actually show you all of the ingredients. Okay, so this is how it looks like, and it's going to help you stay healthy. All right, so let me stay healthy also by drinking mine. It tastes really good. It's very sweet, it's very tasty, and it looks good too. So you can actually drink this every day, yeah, but when you are actually drinking it every day, you have to reduce the amount of lemon. You have to take just a little bit of the lemon plus the zest. Now that is actually very, very important. Now when you put the lemon plus the zest, and then you put all these other ingredients in it, okay, it's not going to bring out the lemon zest taste, but it's going to be very, very ideal, literally. So that's it, go give this a try, and you are going to begin to stay healthy, fight disease, and live long. Okay, so that's it. It is actually very healthy and it tastes great, and I love it. So use this, take this as part of your life, yeah, literally, and stay away from all of those sickness. Live a healthy life, be happy, and avoid contracting disease, literally. So that's it. If you do, now you can actually blend yours together. Okay, if you do enjoy watching this video, do not forget to give me a like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you again. Bye guys.